Hi, my name is Yong Yan Kao. I am a student at the Renton Technical College, majoring in computer science. This is a school project for our ASP.NET class. This website was created using HTML controls and JavaScript. I used the carousel template, so as you can see here, you can see the pictures rotating like this. I have 3 links to either another web page or a slideshow of pictures. The first one is instructors, the second one is school environment, and the last one is register for classes. On the top of the page, we have the navigation bar. This navigation bar will appear on every page for this website so that it can have the same look and feel. At the bottom, we can have links to different types of classes. And at the very bottom of the page, we have a footer. If we click on back to the top link here, we can go back to the page. In the navigation bar, we have links to instructors page, contact page, types of classes page, and a drop-down menu for students to enter their information to open an account and register for classes. Right now, the instructors link here is working, so if we click onto the instructor link, we can go to the profiles for the instructors. Here, we can put in the teacher's experience, pictures, education background, and any related information that we needed to provide to the student. And same thing, this page will have this banner, the navigation bar, and a footer down here. And the next part, the second part of the project, is to create a form for the student to enter information. So if we go to the drop-down menu for student registry and go to open student account link here, the students will be able to enter the information. All the fields here except notes are required. So if nothing is entered in these fields, the information here will not be sent through. So they have to enter something for each field. So first they enter the first name, and then they will be prompted to enter the last name, and then they will be required to enter a birthday, and for the phone number here, only numbers are accepted. So if they enter anything other than numbers, it's not going to be okay. So they will have to enter numbers only here. Okay. For email, the email will have to be in the correct format. So, for example, if they did not include the @ sign in the middle, it will prompt the user to check the format of the email. So they will have to put the @ sign in the middle, and then they will be prompted to enter the street, like this, and then they need to enter the city, and then they need to enter a 2-letter abbreviation for the state. So if they enter nothing or anything longer than 2 letters, like this, it's not going to be okay. So they will have to enter 2-letter abbreviation. Zip code, same thing, they will have to enter something. And then country here, they can pick 2 countries, United States or Canada. The notes field are not required, so they can just enter anything or not enter anything at all. That will be okay. In this case, we'll just enter. And then the send your information button here is the same thing as the submit button. Once we click this button here, it will go to the answer sheet which includes all the information for the students. Same thing, it will have the navigation bar on the top, a banner, and a footer on the bottom. If we take a look at the validation JavaScript that I wrote, I will, on here, I capture all the information from the form, and then I validate each field. Here I validate the first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, email, street, city, state, zip code, and country. If all of these requirements are satisfied, it will return true so that the page will go through to the answer page. At the form that student enter information, I have same thing. This is the navigation bar here on the top, and I also associated this page with the same CSS style sheet so that they will have the same look and feel as the home page. And this is the HTML controls where the students need to enter their information right here. Okay, and then I have the submit button on here that calls the JavaScript and sends the information to the answer sheet. On the top, I have the form tag here, and then this is the answer sheet. I use same style for the answer sheet, and also I use the response.write to write down all the information that we gather on here. Okay. Then the last part of the project is to download some JavaScript client-side coding from the internet and then use it for our websites. So what I did is, let me go back to the home page. What I did was, if we go to the school environment and then we click on the view gallery, it will have the slideshow popped up like this, and the pictures will rotate like a slideshow. Okay. And then if we go back to Visual Studio, this is the JavaScript that I downloaded. So basically, it creates the slideshow, the background color, how to add pictures, how to show the pictures, how big is the slideshow, things like this. And here we have the function photo viewer, which we initialize all that, how to set the image and how to rotate the pictures. Right. Okay. And if we go back to the home page and we go to the carousel part of it. Oh, first of all, I need to initialize the script source right here. And then I added the pictures that will show in the slideshow. And then in the carousel part of the project, the carousel. Okay, so right here, and then I call the method viewer.show to make the slideshow popped up like this. So yeah, this is my project. So this is the home page, and this is the second page. And I will continue working on the contact page and the types of classes page. And this is the form that we gather the student information. And for the last part of the project, I downloaded the JavaScript for the slideshow. That's all I have. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.